to business to defeat the Huns. Did they send me daughters when I asked